South. Walang ibang kaya mainit pa, pasingawin na muna natin. Diba? Kasasabi ko pa lang, Deseline, ayan o, may ipot yung harapan. Oh no! Biglang kumanda yung araw. Diba? May rainbow.
Minsan ano pa, double rainbow yung pabila.
Wow! Ang swerte oh, kasi may mist siya eh. Yes. Kaya nga.
Naulan lang ng sa atin.
Sakto pa talaga sa ano natin eh.
Basta hindi naman yung ulan talaga siya.
Kasi pag sakay na natin, tumutulong na, di ba? Mga patak na.
This attraction is located at 5709 Victoria Avenue, Niagara Falls, Ontario. It is almost 10-minute drive or 3 kilometers away from Table Rock Welcome Center, Niagara Falls.
Ano naman yun, Lola? Lola, ano po? May kailangan din ito magkasakyan. Hindi lang po kayo.
Side na to. Look at the Burger King! Ganda! Wax Museum. We're going to Wax Museum. Oh! Naku! Eh, madudulas na naman, oh. Oh, no! Hindi kasi natingin, eh. Step into Louis Tussauds Waxworks in Niagara Falls and rub shoulders with global icons like Elon Musk and Kevin Hart, the latest additions to this renowned attraction in Clifton Hill District. With over 200 incredibly lifelike wax figures across 15 theme galleries, you'll find yourself face to face with celebrities, historical figures, and even infamous characters. Take a selfie or pose with your favorite star and get an up-close and personal experience like no other. The meticulous craftsmanship of international wax artists brings these figures to life, making for an unforgettable encounter.
Para di niya naman kamukha.
Miley Cyrus din.
Ganito ba si Miley Cyrus? As in, ganito ba talaga? As in, Miley Cyrus.
This wax museum is open every day of the week from 10 a.m. to 12 a.m. and the admission varies based on the package you choose. The general admission for adults costs $29 Canadian dollars and 99 cents, while child is $22 Canadian dollars and 99 cents.
Mr. Johnny Depp. Let's go this way. So Lady Gaga, alam mo na. Taray, ni Celine.
Britney?
Oo nga, no. Ang liit ni Britney. Naka, vinyl.
What? Vinyl.
Ang kanyang ngipin. Ayan si
Taylor Swift.
Taylor Swift. Parang kamukha niya ba? Will Smith. Jennifer Aniston. Ang lit pala ni Jennifer Aniston. Eddie Murphy. Julia Roberts. Daniel Craig. Halle Berry. Ito kamukha ng konti. Diba? Kamukha. Ito rin si Tom Hanks. Medyo kamukha ng konti. Wow, si Lady Gaga. Ang lit lang pala niya talaga, no? Pero parang hindi niya kahawig. Beyonce. Pwede ba tayong mag-picture dyan, di ba? Pwede. Ay, it's Justin Timberlake. Shania Twain. Hindi niya kamukha. Ito kawig. Ang liit lang niya pala. John Legend. Huh? Kamukha niya ng konti. Si Madonna. Hindi matanda na siya. Sino nga ito? Night Show. Jimmy Fallon. Ito kamukha ng konti. And Ryan Seacrest. Kamukha ng konti. Michael Jackson again?
Yeah.
Dami niya, ah.
Bata pa siya. Ito ano?
Robert Pattinson. Pattinson. Hindi niya kamukha. Hindi niya kamukha. Hindi niya kamukha. Pero medyo maliit na ano. Ito talagang kamukha. Ay, gabi na parang ito. Tayo. Harrison Ford. Parang kanina meron na ito. Kamukha niya ba? Ang laki ng pangalan. Eto, kamukha ba? Ang tangkad niya, oh. Wow! Ang tangkad nga.
Pati si Dwayne.
Yan. Ang laking tao niya pala. Ganyan siya katangkad?
Yeah.
Okay lang, kamukha niya naman. Pero,
Si
ano,
Tiger Woods.
ang laki niyang bulas. Tiger Woods. Ang tangkad pala ni Tiger Woods, no? Grabe. Ito naman si Dalai Lama.
Ah, yeah. I'm giving intelligence. Remember that? Yeah. You see your stuff?
Oh, let's go that way.
Ito, Harry Potter.
Oh my God! This is it! Oh my! There! Wow! Kamukha ni, ni Ron nung maliit siya, pati si Hermione. Kamukha! Magpapapicture ako dito. Dito. Ganyan siya kalaki talaga.
Malaki talaga.
Tapos yan. Kamukha niya ba? Parang hindi.
Ano man?
Eto kamukha niya ng konti. Hindi niya makita eh. Ayan. Ayan si Penguin kamukha talaga. Walang duda yan.
Oo. Sinong version niya ni Batman? Michael Keaton.
Oh my God, si John Lennon. Si fat bastard.
Oh.
Dun, dun. Oh baby. Yeah, Michael Myers. Yan.
Saan yan? Saan yan?
Malapit siya sa show klase.
We're done.
Bili na lang cut. Bili na natin yung ano.
Ano yan?
For a complete Clifton Hill District experience, upgrade to 3 attraction combo or Ripley's combo ticket for one low price for only $39.99 for adults or $28.99 for children, including Ripley's Selfie Studios and Ripley's Believe It or Not with over 400 exhibits and interactive displays. Don't miss out on this unforgettable experience. Unlike some other attractions, Louis Tussauds Waxworks and the other true attractions included in the combo package allow visitors to take selfies and videos, making it a great opportunity to capture memories and share them on social media. So don't forget your camera or phone to capture those special moments.
That's it for now. Please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, Trip ni Mike. Like this video by clicking the thumbs up down below and hit the notification bell for more updates. Follow nyo na rin po ako sa social media accounts like Twitter and Instagram at Trip ni Mike. Like my Facebook page, Trip ni Mike. Thank you for watching. See you again!